Did you know that November is the only month when millions of people like me and you around the world celebrate gratitude and giving, all while preparing for the Christmas holiday season? It's a unique month full of potential, but it also comes with its own set of challenges, especially for women. Hi, welcome to the month of November. Today, we are going to explore what makes this month so special and talk about some common struggles that women like us face during this time of year. Plus, I'll share some simple, actionable tips to help you make the most of this lovely season. Are you ready? Good. November is a month packed with potential. It is a time when many of us start planning for the Christmas holidays, reconnect with loved ones, and take time to reflect on the year. With celebrations like Thanksgiving, it's a season of gratitude and giving, which can be really uplifting. But beyond the festivities, November is also a month famously known for Black Friday shopping. It becomes a fantastic time to focus on self care, personal goals, and setting intentions as we head towards the new year. Think of it as a chance to finish the year strong. However, let's be real, November can be challenging, especially for us women. Many of us find ourselves juggling multiple responsibilities from work and family to preparing for the Christmas holidays. Here are a few struggles that might sound familiar. 1. Stress and overwhelm. With holiday planning and family gatherings just around the corner, stress levels can skyrocket. There's a lot to organize and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. 2. Seasonal affective disorder. Sad. As the days get shorter and darker in some countries, some of us may feel deep in our mood or energy. Sad can make it harder to stay positive and motivated. 3. Financial pressure. The upcoming Black Friday, Thanksgiving, and Christmas holiday season often means added expenses. Yes, trying to budget while also wanting to make the season special for our loved ones can be tough. 4. Health and self-care. During this busy time, it's easy to put our own health and well-being on the back burner. Skipping workouts, stress eating, or not getting enough sleep are all common. Guilty moms, raise your hands. Let me know in the comments if any of these resonate with you. No shaming, no guilt trips. November can be a tough month, but you are not alone, and there are ways to navigate these challenges. Now, let's talk about some actionable tips to help you tackle these struggles and truly enjoy this great month. 1. Prioritize self-care. Yes, this month, try to get self-care a non-negotiable spot, whether it's setting aside 10 minutes for meditation, taking a daily walk, or simply making time to read a book. Make sure you're looking after your mental and physical well-being. 2. Plan and budget for the holidays. Set a budget for holiday expenses early on and make a list of things you need to prepare. Planning in advance can help reduce financial stress and make the holiday season more enjoyable. 3. Stay active and embrace the outdoors. Even though it's colder in some parts of the world, try to get outside as much as you can. Sunlight and fresh air can work wonders for your mood. Plus, exercise can boost your energy and help with any seasonal blues. 4. Practice gratitude. November is the month of Thanksgiving, so take time each day to reflect on things you're grateful for. It can be as simple as jotting down one thing every morning. By the way, I'm grateful for you. Gratitude has a powerful impact on our mental health and helps shift our focus to the positive. 5. Set small achievable goals. Instead of waiting for New Year's resolutions, why not set a small goal for November. It could be something like organizing one room in your home, starting a new hobby, or simply prioritizing sleep. Achieving these small goals can give you a sense of accomplishment. So, this November, take time for self care, plan for the holidays, stay active, practice gratitude, and set small goals. I have a goal planner that you can grab from the description of this video. Remember, it's a time to finish this year strong, and it's important to give yourself grace every moment. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and I would love to hear your comments and your experiences. Drop a comment below sharing your past November Black Friday experiences, or let me know if you have any other tips to share with us. And don't forget to follow me for more tips and inspiration for the rest of the year. Thank you very much for watching, and have an amazing brand new month. All the best.